Hi there. The drone Mini 4 Pro. This one over here works perfectly, but something is going wrong sometimes when it is about focusing. The autofocus is not always working the way it should be. So I try to figure out what's happening here. And I found on YouTube a video of a guy who explained that it is about hitting the manual focus, not on purpose, but sometimes because it's very close to the recording button on the screen of the controller. Then you press also the autofocus, then it switches to manual focus. And if it is a manual focus, then you don't have actually the sharpness that you want to have. So that's nice. So today I went out on my motorbike and did a lot of drone shots. And when I was back home, I checked it out on the monitor. And then I had a couple of takes which are also out of focus. While I constantly checked if it is on AF setting. And it is. So for some weird reason, it's not always focusing the way it should be. So then to do what? Then I discovered, that's the trick here, when I start the drone and I take it into the air, the first thing I do is I press the button here on the screen to manual focus. So I select manual focus first, always. Then the drone goes up, and when I hit the recording button to take my actual video, then I press the manual focus again, and then it's switched to autofocus. And while doing that, I force the drone to just focus again when it is in the air. And that works out very nicely. So, if you don't want to have troubles with focusing again, do the same as I do. Start the drone, bring it into the air, press manual focus first, and then before you start recording, press manual focus again, because then it switches to autofocus. And when you do that, then the drone is focusing again on that very moment, and then you have sharp shots the way it should be. That's it. I hope it helps you out here. Thank you.